The National Standard of Psychological Health and Safety is a voluntary standard that was created in 2013. It is designed to help organizations understand and identify areas of risk that might be inherent within their workplace. Some of those areas might include work-life balance, workload management, clear expectations from leadership and clear identified roles, and employee engagement, among other factors that are there. The value of becoming more knowledgeable around psychological health and safety is that you're there to support your staff. It's there for staff to support each other, but overall to increase mental wellness within your workplace by understanding the stresses that are there, understanding where the risks lie, and implementing strategies to work through those so that your staff feel safe and psychologically healthy at work. The Introduction to Psychological Health and Safety workshop is designed to introduce the concepts of psychological health and safety and the 13 factors that make up the national standard. We'll discuss the benefits to implementing a safety management system to your workplace. Psychological health and safety supporter training builds the skills and confidence to inspire psychological health and safety action in your workplace. You'll learn to identify key factors, risks, and opportunities for change within your organization. The Psychological Health and Safety Navigator training is a training that's designed to take the theoretical ideas of the National Standard of Psychological Health and Safety and turning them into practical ideas on how to implement them within your workplace. So it's a 21-hour training. 7 hours of that is pre-read and 14 hours is led by a facilitator, in which at the end of the training, you will hopefully feel comfortable enough to take the concepts back to your workplace and implement that committee and really start looking at introducing the idea of psychological health and safety to your workplace. The Psychological Health and Safety Navigator course is best suited for people who are interested in taking concepts into their workplace and supporting the wellness of their staff. That could either be someone that's responsible for human resources or an occupational health and safety committee aspect, but someone who is really looking at increasing the wellness of staff at your workplace, increasing the understanding of psychological risk at your workplace, and really providing support for everyone to work through and manage and mitigate those risks. What makes the Psychological Health and Safety Navigator course distinct from other workplace trainings are the practical steps that we are introducing and allowing you to work through for your specific workplace. There's lots of group work that goes on through the training, and that group work really is designed to help you understand what some of the challenges might be in implementing some of these steps, but also some of the ways that we can work through those challenges to introduce those aspects to our workplace in a way that's successful. Once the course is done, all our participants are invited to a continued practice piece where we meet once a month and discuss psychological health and safety, some of the concerns, some of the successes, and the challenges of implementing it back in your workplace. Some of the impact that I've heard from participants that have gone through the course and are now reporting back are an overall sense of connection between staff members, understanding that staff members feel open and to talk about their challenges and the stresses that they're going through. Organizations are more supportive of their staff and the struggles and the challenges they're going through there. And in that way, also able to support them through that by putting together other avenues to help support people, like maybe a peer support group or some aspects that can be implemented within the organization that are there to identify those risks and help staff work through those. My goal as a facilitator is to create a space where people feel safe to talk about what's going on for them and the challenges and successes that they experience. I would love for people to walk away from this training with a confidence in their ability to identify what psychological risk is in a workplace and to really look at how can they address that and support staff through that. If it means being able to have really wholesome and in-depth conversations around how people are feeling, I think that's going to benefit everyone. Yes, it's a workplace idea, but really what we're talking about are skills for life, where you start looking at people as humans and connecting with them on that level and not because they happen to work for you or with you.